Hi, I'm Jen Kilp, the Director of Design with Corporate Design Interiors. We are a commercial furniture dealer providing furniture and finish solutions for our clients. We wanted to create a space that provided inspiration for the workplace through furniture, finishes, and lighting. And our main concept was mimicking nature and bringing the outdoors in and promoting well-being in the workplace. The interwoven wood textured product that we used in our space is on the backdrop to our reception station. It's the first element that customers see as they enter our space, and it's very close nearby our living moss wall. And with those two elements together, it's really emulating nature as you walk into a forest. You've got the interwoven product that emulates the tree bark, and then you have the moss nearby. And it's really a nice taste of what visitors are going to see as they enter and move throughout our space. The Techno glass that we used in our work cafe on our large center island really serves as a central point of focus in our work cafe for our employees to gather, to dine, to work, also to sit and read a book just as you would around a swimming pool. The Techno glass product has a beautiful translucent and water-like quality, providing an instant feeling of tranquility. It was our goal to act as an extension to the ASI showroom to provide a place for local architects and designers to visit to select finishes as well as see the products installed. Our 10,000 square foot showroom illustrates how we creatively integrated architectural products with furniture pieces to create dynamic working environments that are engaging and inspirational to those working within it.